Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Zzz account. First, log into your Zzz account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You'll typically find this by clicking on your profile picture or a gear icon. Within settings, look for sections like Account Management, Privacy, or Security. This is where the journey to account deletion usually begins. Once you're in the relevant settings section, carefully scan for an option that explicitly states Delete Account, Close Account, or something similar. Sometimes, this option might be subtly placed or require a few clicks to uncover. Before proceeding, pay close attention to any pop-up warnings or information regarding the permanence of this action. Deleting your account is often irreversible. After selecting the deletion option, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This step often includes a summary of the data that will be permanently erased, such as your posts, messages, and profile information. Read this carefully. You might also be asked to re-enter your password for security. Many platforms have a grace period, often around 30 days, during which your account is deactivated but not fully deleted, allowing for recovery if you change your mind. Once you've confirmed the deletion, it's a good practice to log out of all Zzz sessions on every device. If you've granted Zzz access to other applications, consider revoking those permissions as well. After the specified grace period, which could be anywhere from 7 to 30 days, you might want to attempt logging in one last time to confirm the account is truly gone. This ensures your digital footprint is minimized.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.